Alright guys, I'm in the car ride and you guys might be noticing, where's my brother? So here's my before look. And you'll see our after look in a bit. Alright guys, I'm back from the barber shop and I'm wearing a cap here because it's going to be mystery and I want a haircut. Reveal in 3, 2.
If you guys are wondering why Vedant isn't here.
Go Vedant! Go Vedant!
What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me Vedant and my brother here in Tyria.
Hi guys.
Today is big game weekend.
Yep.
And really busy weekend. Today we're busy.
Busy.
I have a haircut appointment and he has a game at the same time. After his game, I have a game. It's gonna be
too
really
much,
busy.
man. And then on Sunday,
NFL weekend. And we have our Hindi classes.
it's fine. Let's make today a fun day, and
We'll see you in the car. Alright guys, I'm in the car ride and you guys might be noticing, where's my brother? He would be usually sitting here. So, like I said, he had a game, then I had a barber appointment. So we dropped him at his game and now we're driving to the barber shop to cut my hair. Here's my look before. I wouldn't miss this here, but it grew a lot. So here's my before look. And you'll see our after look in a bit. Alright guys, I'm back from the barber shop and I'm wearing a cap here because it's going to be mystery and I want to show you my haircut. Reveal in 3, 2. This is my nice haircut I got. It's called a taper. I like this haircut because it's short and I need the short hair. Comment down below if you guys like my hair before or this one. I like this one. So we're going to watch our brother's game. He's in the middle of it. So we'll see you then.
How's the game there, yeah?
what's up guys? I'm back from my game. I'm all wet as you guys can see. We won 1-0, which I'm happy about. And if you guys are wondering why Vedant isn't here, me too. But I was told that he's at home preparing for his game because his game's in, what time is it? Oh yeah, his game is going to be in a few hours. So he's getting ready for that, and he got a haircut, and he's trying to surprise me. So I'll see you guys at home.
Alright guys, my brother came back from his soccer game. We'll ask how he likes my haircut. I'm hiding it, so when he comes, I'll go pick him and then he'll see my haircut. We'll see his reaction and we'll see if he won his game or not. So I'm pretty sure they won. They should win. But yeah, he's coming soon. The car just locked. My hand's getting sore. Someone's coming. Let's stand up.
Are you ready to see his haircut?
Yeah.
One.
Ooh. Damn.
How's it?
Looks good. That's good.
You win your game?
Yeah. 1-0.
In what minutes do you score?
I didn't score. I assisted.
What minute?
15 or 10 minutes before full time.
Oh.
Alright guys, I'm gonna clean up and get ready, and I'm excited for his game. So
Yep, I'm going to my game. See, bring my black jersey. I'll see you there. Alright guys, we're 5 minutes away from my game location, and as you can see, it's all rainy. Normal day in Seattle.
Vidu! Talk. Go Vedant, go! Vedant, go!
How's the game, buddy?
That was okay. Alright guys, we're back from my game. Hey, W game, bro. We won.
both won games. 3-1, 1-0.
That was nice. And sorry we couldn't recover much because you tell what you
Yeah,
did.
I went to Nightwave, so it's at the Linwood Rec Center, and all the middle schoolers in my district we got together. We played some games, had some snacks, so we swam, and we. Meanwhile, this kid.
I was sleeping. I got really tired because I had the hair appointment, which was early in the morning. Then his game, then my game. You know, I was tired. So right now we're finishing off with some spaghetti. The day off with spaghetti.
Let's go.
Is that right?
Yeah, first bite. Hold on. Right, 3, 2, 1. How's it?
It's good.
It's good. Now let's try the meatball.
Oh.
I should have one. Oh, because you're saving your other one.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try.
That's
3,
right. 2,
2,
1.
1.
How's it,
It's
Vedant?
good. It's good. Hot. Alright guys, I think that's the end of the video. And make sure to like, share, subscribe. You know the drill.
If you guys haven't checked out our other videos, make sure you check them out. They're super cool.
You guys know the drill. Like, share, subscribe. But until then, we out.
Yeah, peace.